Here how many sulfurs are there? Two sulfurs are there. If one sulfur is there, one hydrogen replaced by SO3H2. Here two sulfurs are there. Both are replaced by sulfuric acid group SO3H group. OOSO3H. This is nothing but H2S2OA. See here, this entire compound is nothing but H2S2. Two hydrogens are there, two sulfurs are there, 8 oxygens are there. H2S2OA. See, OO linkage is there. Hence, in Marshall's acid, OO linkage is there. Here, two hydrogens are replaced by sulfuric acid group. Hence, peroxodisulfuric acid. Our short name paradisulfuric acid. Why the name came as paradisulfuric acid? Two hydrogens of hydrogen peroxide replaced by sulfuric acid group. Commercial name Marshall's acid. According to it will comes in second year. H2S2OA. Next, one more example, very important. CrO5. Well known example it is underlined for chromium. Its chemical name chromium pentoxide, or one more name blue perchromate. Color is blue color. It will comes in second year D block elements. Blue perchromate. This compound color is blue color compound. The compound color is blue color compound. That's why blue perchromate. First, normal method you should calculate. I don't know what is the chromium oxidation state. Unknown X. Each oxygen -2. 5 oxygens are there. -10 equal to 0. Therefore, X equal to +10. Immediately we have to cross check whether it is correct or wrong. It is a blender mistake. Wrong. Why? In last class we discussed it. In periodic table, highest possible oxidation state only +8. That +8 exhibited by only 3 elements: ruthenium, osmium and xenon. In the entire periodic table, highest possible oxidation state +8. That +8 exhibited by ruthenium, osmium and xenon. These two belongs to D block family. This belongs to P block family. In the entire periodic table, highest oxidation state only +8 in their tetroxides. In last class we discussed ruthenium tetroxide, osmium tetroxide and xenon tetroxide. Highest only +8, but here it is more than +8 long. Otherwise, cross check with our rule. What is the rule? First, calculate the group number. Chromium group number I don't know. Atomic number we know. What is the atomic number of chromium? 24. Apply our logic. What is the logic? This given atomic number you have to divide like this. 2, 8, 8. First, take the common factor 2. Next 8. Next 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 18. Last number is 6. Therefore, chromium belongs to which group? 6th group. Divide the given atomic number as 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 30. After dividing 2 plus 8, 10, 18. Still 6 is balanced. Therefore, last number 6. Therefore, chromium group number 6th group. Therefore, it is more than group number 6. Chromium also present in which group? 6th group. Valence electrons are 6. Then, what is our rule? For any element, oxidation number should not exceed group number. If it exceeds group number, what does it indicate? Peroxy linkage is there. So, in any case, if calculated oxidation number is more than group number, means 100% peroxy linkage is there. Therefore, peroxy linkage is present. Why peroxy linkage is present? Calculated oxidation number is more than group number. If calculated oxidation number is less than or equal to group number, no peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage is present. Just you should remember that if calculated oxidation number is less than or equal to group number, no peroxy linkage. This is the easy technique. If calculated oxidation number is more than group number, peroxy linkage is present. This technique, if you are remembering, that easy. Peroxy linkage is present. If calculated oxidation number less than or equal to group number, no peroxy linkage. More than group number, peroxy linkage is present. Therefore, calculate again. After that, I will give you a shortcut logic. How many peroxy linkages are there again? CrO5, chromium. Peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage is present. Peroxy linkage means OO linkage. Out of 5 oxygens here we showed 2 oxygens as peroxy linkage. Still how many are there? 3. That 3 oxygens we have to show outside. Chromium we don't know. X. It is a peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage means -1. Outside normal oxygen -2. -1. Outside -2 into 3 -6 equal to 0. X equal to +8. Again it is wrong. Again why it is wrong? Here chromium group number what? 6. Again here more than group number 6. More than group number 6. That means still some more peroxy linkages are there. Why some more peroxy linkages are there? Calculated oxidation number is more than group number. Still peroxy linkage is present. Still peroxy linkage is present. That means in the outside 3 oxygen still one more peroxy linkage is there. CrO. Again outside 3 oxygens we have to show one peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage means OO linkage. Out of 3 oxygens here we showed 2 oxygens as a peroxy linkage. Still one oxygen is left, normal oxygen. Inside oxygens are peroxy linkage, outside normal. Chromium we don't know. Peroxy linkage -1, outside normal -2. -1, -2. It is a neutral compound equal to 0. Therefore x equal to +6. Correct. Because for chromium group number is 6, here also 6. Therefore in CrO5 how many peroxy linkages are there? 2 peroxy linkages are there. It is a blue color compound, hence blue perchromate. If you want to structure means actually comes in second year. It's structure like a butterfly like structure. CrO5 chromium. How many peroxy linkages? 2 peroxy linkages. Two peroxy linkage. One is normal oxygen. It looks like a butterfly structure. Like a butterfly-like structure. See here. Like a butterfly. Wings are there, insect is there here. So it is a OO linkage for oxygen. -1. It is normal. -2. So according to structure, -1, -2, -6 goes to right hand side. +6. Now, a simple logic I will tell. How many peroxy linkages are there? First, check in our mind only, mind calculation. First, calculate x. Each oxygen -2, -10. X -10 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to +10. Wrong. Why wrong? Chromium 6. Hence, it is more than group number. More than group number means what present? Peroxy linkage is present. First of all, mind calculation. Next sum onwards directly I will calculate. X -10 0. Therefore x equal to +10. Is it correct? No. Why? More than group number. More than group number means peroxy linkage is present. Now here a shortcut logic I will tell. Number of peroxy linkages in the given compound. Directly we can identify the number of peroxy linkages. Number of peroxy linkages equal to calculated oxidation number minus group number. Group number is nothing but valence electrons. Calculated oxidation number minus group number by 2 into number of central atoms. Apply this technique, you will get correct answer. Calculate oxidation number what? 10. Group number 6 by 2 into how many central atoms are there? 1. 10 minus 6, 4 by 2, 2. Therefore, in CrO5, how many peroxy linkages are there? 2 peroxy linkages. Apply this one technique. H2SO5. Previously we calculated. First mind calculation. Sulfur. -10 no +2. -8. -8 means answer +8. Immediately how to cross check. +8 wrong. +8 only for 3 elements. Osmium, ruthenium and xenon. This +8 is more than group number. Sulfur group number is 6. More than group number. Hence, what is present? Peroxy linkage is present. How many peroxy linkages are there? We don't know. Apply that logic. What logic? Calculate oxidation number what? 8 minus group number what? 6 by 2 into central atoms how many? 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 by 2, 1. Therefore, how many peroxyl linkage is there? 1. Immediately, how to show one peroxyl linkage? H2SOO3. Like that, we can calculate. Next. Fourth one, HNO4, pernitric acid. Sometimes they will give name, sometimes they won't give the name, pernitric acid. Now, first mind calculation. Minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. Minus 1 means answer is plus 7. After that, you have to cross check. Nitrogen group number 5, because atomic number 7 split like this 2, 5. Therefore, last number is group number. Therefore, nitrogen outermost shell contain how many electrons? 5. It is more than group number. More than group number means wrong. More than group number present means what linkage is there? Peroxy linkage is there. Therefore, 100% peroxy linkage is there. Therefore, HN peroxy linkage means OO linkage. Here 4 oxygens are there. Already here we showed 2 oxygens. Remaining normal oxygen. Now calculate hydrogen plus 1. Nitrogen we don't know. In peroxy linkage each oxygen minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Outside normal oxygen minus 2 into 2. Minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Therefore x equal to plus 5. Plus 5 correct. So in pernitric acid, nitrogen oxygen state plus 5. Next, fifth one, H2TiO4. Calculate the oxidation number for titanium. First, mind calculation. Minus 8 plus 2. Minus 6. Minus 6 means answer is plus 6. After that, we have to cross check whether it is correct or wrong. In order to cross checking, first group number important. Titanium atomic number 22. The 22 atomic number is now split like this: 2, 8, 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 18. What left? 4. After dividing like this, last number indicates group number. Therefore, titanium present in which group? Fourth group. Therefore, it is more than group number. More than group number means what present? Peroxy linkage is present. Therefore, peroxy linkage is present. Peroxy linkage means OO linkage. H2Ti. Out of 4 oxygens, peroxy linkage we can show. And how many oxygens are left? 2. Hydrogen plus 1 plus 2. Titanium we don't know. Each oxygen minus 1. Outside normal. Normal means minus 2. Normal oxygen minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to plus 4. Paratitanic acid. Its name paratitanic acid. Paratitanic acid. For example, if I will give one example, perchloric acid. Perchloric acid. Here, even though prefix is per, don't think peroxy linkage is there. Perchloric acid. Perchloric acid HClO4. Chlorine oxidation state. First mind calculation. Minus 8 to plus 1. Minus 7. Minus 1 means answer is plus 7. Chlorine also present in 7th group. Group number 7. Why? Chlorine atomic number 17. Split like that 2, 8, 7. Last number is group number. Therefore, here calculated oxidation number is not exceed group number. Hence, no peroxy linkage. Sometimes they will do the question like this: no peroxy linkage. They will frame the question like this: in which of the following peroxy linkage is present? Option 1, pernitric acid. In which of the following no peroxy linkage? Option 2, pentitanic acid. Option 3, permonosulfuric acid. They won't give the formulas. Permonosulfuric acid. Option 4, perchloric acid. See, in all these prefix is perchloric acid. Then even though your prefix is per, in last compound no peroxy linkage. Why no peroxy linkage? Calculate oxidation number not exceeds group number. That's why no peroxy linkage. Next, BaO2. BaO2. Underlined for barium. Mind calculation. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. Is it correct or wrong? Barium present in second group. It is more than group number. Group number is 2. Therefore wrong. More than group number is what present? Peroxy linkage is present. That is the easy technique. In what type of compound peroxy linkage is there? Without structure we can identify directly. So in any case, if calculated oxidation number is more than group number, then peroxy linkage is present. Therefore, Ba peroxy linkage means OO linkage. Now we can calculate. In peroxy linkage, each oxygen oxidation state -1. -1 equal to 0. X equal to what? Plus 2. Therefore, in barium peroxide, oxidation number of barium is plus 2. Plus 2 correct only. Next, NH4NO3. Last year 2019 NEET exam question it is. What are the oxidation states of nitrogen in NH4NO3? First, by conventional method, if we are calculating nitrogen, two nitrogens are there, 2x. Each hydrogen plus 1 plus 4. Each oxygen -2 -6 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x. Again I am repeating, two nitrogens are there, 2x. Each hydrogen plus 1 plus 4. Each oxygen -2 -6 equal to 0. Therefore 2x equal to plus 2. X equal to plus 1. So in conventional method plus 1 correct only. But here what is the problem is the environment of two nitrogens are not same, because one nitrogen is attached with highly electronegative element oxygen. One nitrogen is attached with less electronegative hydrogen. Hence here environment different means oxidation number also different. Therefore, it is correct only. It is also known as average oxidation state. Why I am taking as average oxidation state? Two nitrogens oxidation number at a time we calculate, that's why average. Therefore, actual oxidation number by stoichiometry we can consider. By stoichiometry we should consider the given ammonium nitrate is now split like this, NH4 plus and NO3 minus. This plus 1 also correct. It is known as average oxidation state. For two nitrogens at a time we calculate. But by strictly speaking, the oxidation number of two nitrogens not same. Why not same? Environment of two nitrogens not same. Because one nitrogen attached with highly electronegative. One nitrogen attached with highly electronegative means this nitrogen must carry positive. This nitrogen attached with less electronegative. Therefore, this nitrogen carries negative. So actually, positive and negative oxidation states are coming for two nitrogens. But here we got plus 1. Hence, it is not correct. Therefore, separately we can consider this nitrogen we don't know x. Each hydrogen plus 1 plus 4 equal to plus 1. X equal to what? Minus 3. This nitrogen x minus 6 equal to minus 1. X equal to plus 5. 2019 NEET exam question. The oxidation states of two nitrogens in NH4NO3 -3 and plus 5. If you are considering average, same answer you will get. -3 average means -3 plus 5 by how many nitrogens? Two nitrogens. Therefore plus 1. See, this plus 1 is called average. If they clearly mention what is the average oxidation state means, you should consider at a time. If what are the two different oxidation states means, you have to go through stoichiometry method. You have to split the compound NH4 plus and NO3 minus. Next, NH4NO2, you can do homework this one. Same procedure, NH4NO2. Homework. Oxidation states of two nitrogens you can calculate. Next, Fe3O4. It is the magnetic oxide of iron. Magnetic oxide of iron. It comes in second year metallurgy or magnetite its name. At a time if you are calculating iron we don't know x. 3 irons are there. 3x minus 8 equal to 0. X equal to plus 8 by 3. correct only, but it is called average oxidation state. Average oxidation number. It is a fractional value. It is a fractional value. That means here iron oxidation state plus 8 by 3 means it's meaning what? Iron lost, positive means plus, iron lost 8 by 3 electrons, it's meaning. But generally loss of electron, gain of electron or sharing of electron always in integer number. Iron loses either 2 electrons or 3 electrons or 4 electrons like that, or any element gains 2 electrons, 3 electrons like that. But it should not lose 8 by 3 electron, or it should not gain 8 by 3 electron. Hence it is a paradox. Paradox means not true, its meaning. English word it is not true. Paradox means not real, but correct only if it is average. 8 by 3, if they are asking what is the average oxidation states of iron in Fe3O4 means you can tell answer 8 by 3. Now individual oxidation states by stoichiometry method. By stoichiometry, it is a conventional method. It is called conventional method. But iron do not possess 8 by 3 electrons. By stoichiometry method, first of all you should remember that Fe3O4 is a mixed oxide. It is a mixed oxide. It is the 1:1 molar ratio of ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. That you should remember. Fe3O4 is the mixed oxide. It is a combination of two types of iron oxides. In what ratio? 1:1 ratio. Ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. Therefore, Fe3O4 we can split like this. FeO dot, Fe2O3. Then separately we can calculate. Iron we don't know x. Each oxide minus 2 equal to 0. It is a neutral compound. X equal to 1 plus 2. Correct. Integer number there. Iron we don't know 2x. Each oxide minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 plus 3. Correct. Therefore, in Fe3O4, iron exhibits two types of oxidation state, plus 2 and plus 3. If you are considering their average, you will get 8 by 3. See here, plus 2 how many irons are there? 1. 1 iron plus 2 plus 2 irons plus 3 by average means total number of irons 3. Therefore 8 by 3. If they are specifying what is the average oxidation state of iron means, your answer is 8 by 3. What are the oxidation states of iron means 2 and 3. So here ferrous oxide, ferric oxide. Hence it is also known as ferroso-ferric oxide. Ferroso-ferric oxide. Why the name came as ferroso-ferric oxide? Fe plus 2 means ferrous. Fe plus 3 means ferric. Ferroso-ferric oxide. Fe3O4. Next. Pb3O4. It is also lead oxide. Pb3O4, lead oxide or red lead. For post boxes, the red color is made with this Pb3O4 only. Red lead or sindoor. Now, if they are mentioned average, we can directly calculate 3x minus 8 equal to 0, x equal to 8 by 3. Average it is. Fractional value getting means average. Individual oxidation state they are asking by stoichiometry method we can go. By stoichiometry method. This Pb3O4 also mixed oxide. It is a mixed oxide of 2:1 molar ratio. Previous one 1:1 ratio. Here 2:1 molar ratio of plumbous oxide PbO and plumbic oxide PbO. But ratio what? 2:1. This is 2 parts. This is 1 part. So therefore, Pb3O4 can be rewrite like this: 2 moles of PbO, 1 mole of PbO. 2 moles of PbO, 1 mole of PbO. You see here, formula also matches 3 lead, 4 oxygens, 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens. Then separately can calculate. So leave the coefficient 2. Iron, lead we don't know. X, each oxygen minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. This lead we don't know. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to what? Plus 4. Therefore 2 and 4 correct. Next, Mn3O4, same procedure you can calculate homework. Mn3O4, Pb3O4 both are similar examples. Next, Ki3, iodine oxidation state. Ki3, underlined for iodine. Potassium plus 1, iodine we don't know. 3x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 by 2. So it is fractional value getting this, it is called average oxidation number. Minus 1 by 3 not true. Why? Minus 1 by 3 means iodine gains minus 1 by 3 of electrons. Wrong. Iodine will gain either 1 electron, 2 electrons, 3 electrons like that. Therefore, individual oxidation states by stoichiometry. If they are asking what is the average oxidation state of iodine in Ki3 means your answer is minus 1 by 3. But individual oxidation states means this Ki3 can be split like this. Ki into I2. Ki into I2. So iodine we don't know. Potassium plus 1. Iodine x equal to 0. X equal to what? Minus 1. Here iodine elemental form 0. If you are considering their average also you will get same answer. See here. 1 iron minus 1. 1 into minus 1 plus 1 iodine minus 1, 2 iodine 0. Average means 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 by average. Next, last one in the special examples, bleaching powder. Important. Bleaching powder. CaOCl2, bleaching powder. Now, underline for chlorine. Normal method, calcium plus 2, oxygen minus 2, 2 chlorine is 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is average. If they are asking average oxidation state of chlorine in bleaching powder is 0. If they will frame the question like this, what are the different oxidation states of chlorine in bleaching powder means we can go through the stoichiometry method. So this bleaching powder structure is CaOCl2. It can be rewrite like this: CaOCl and Cl. CaOCl2. Two chlorines, one oxygen. Now this chlorine we can calculate. Now according to the rules, chlorine is attached with the calcium metal. Calcium is electropositive. This is electropositive means here it should be electronegative. So chlorine electronegative, therefore your oxidation state minus 1. This chlorine we don't know, taking as X. Now again I am repeating, here chlorine is attached with electropositive. Here electropositive means it should be electronegative, chlorine minus 1. So therefore this chlorine minus 1, calcium fixed plus 2, this oxygen fixed minus 2, this chlorine we don't know, X, it is a neutral molecule 0. So again I am repeating, the chlorine which is attached with the electropositive calcium always minus 1. This chlorine we don't know, X minus 1, calcium plus 2, oxygen minus 2, chlorine plus X. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, X equal to what? Plus 1. Therefore this chlorine is plus 1. So directly you should remember, time will be saved. In bleaching powder, chlorine exhibits two different types of oxidation states, minus 1 and plus 1. Very important. In bleaching powder, chlorine exhibits two different oxidation states, minus 1 and plus 1. If you are considering average also same answer 0 you will get. See average minus 1 plus 1 by 2 chlorines are there, 0. Therefore average is 0. So these are the some special cases or exceptional cases. So remaining in next class we will continue. Thank you.